welcome to your math for today. Today we are going to do 12.11 and we are going to be working on making change. And I know we don't talk about this very much now because we have these cool things called credit cards that we just swipe through a machine and we don't have to worry about a teller or somebody giving us back change. But in reality, if you pay more than what your bill is, you should get back what is called change. It's the difference between the price that you should pay and the amount of money that you did pay. So let's take a look at this because it's an important thing to be able to do. The process is like this. You have the price that you should pay, and then you have the dollar amount that you did pay. Okay, so sometimes you will pay a little extra, and if you do pay a little extra, then you get back what is called the change. Here is how this works. So in order to make this work, and then you are going to actually count up until you get to the dollar amount that you paid. Okay, and if you keep track of the coins that you use to count up, that middle area or those coins that you use to count up to get to the price that you actually paid, that's your change. So let me show you what this looks like with our first example, and then I'm going to do pretty much the entire front part of your page. So if you have your page, go ahead and pause it. If you don't have your page, go ahead and pause this video, get your paper, because I'm going to be doing the whole front with you. So let's do an example. Let's say the price tag is $2.50, but you pay $3. Okay, you have overpaid, so now you deserve some change back. Here's how your book wants you to figure out the change. Okay, and you're going to be counting up until we get to $3. So you're going to start at $2.50 and count up to $3. So what kind of coins could we add to get up to $3? I would say quarters. Let's try quarters. So if we added 1 quarter, now we're up to $2.75. So we started at $2.50, now we're at $2.75. If I add 1 more quarter, bingo, we're all the way up to $3. So we just counted up from $2.50 to $3. How do I know what change I get back? It's those coins right there in the center. So 25 and 25 is a total of 50 cents. So if it was the price was $2.50 and I paid $3, I get 50 cents back in change. That's kind of how it works, okay? So let's try number 1 on your paper. And the first one, the price tag is 65 cents. And then the very next column, it says that you pay $1. Okay, so we're going to get some change back. We have overpaid 65, and we want to count up to $1. All right. So what kind of coins could we add to start counting up and get all the way up to $1? My first coin would definitely be a dime, because if I go from 65 and I add 10, now I'm at 75. And those who know how to count well by quarters know that 1 more quarter would get me to $1. So if I add a dime and I add a quarter, I'm all the way back up to my dollar. And a dime and a quarter, the total of a dime and a quarter is 25 cents, a dime is 10, 25 plus 10 should be 35 cents is the amount of change that you're getting back. Okay? I know that this can seem kind of tricky, but let's go ahead and do another one. So now the next one, number 2, is we have a price tag of 45 cents. And we pay $1 again, okay? So we need some change back. Let's go ahead. 45 cents, and we're going to be counting up to $1. So what could we add to 45 cents? I would go with a nickel. Add 5 cents. If I added 5 to 45, now I'm up at 50 cents. And I actually have 1 coin that could finish out our problem. Have you guessed what it is? A $0.50. Yes, a $0.50 is 50 cents. So if I added another 50 cents, I'd be up to my dollar, okay? So let's count up the coins that are in the middle here that we were given back as change and see how much total change. We have 50, we have a little 5 nickel, so a total of, oh, it should be 55. I'll fix that, 55 cents. Next problem. Now we have $1.35 and we have paid $2. So now we have to count from, count up to $2. So here's how it goes. Let's see, what coins can we add? Let's add a nickel. So now we're up to 40 cents. So $1.40. Let's see. Oh, I would definitely add a dime. There we go. $1.50 now. And then now we're at 50 cents. We have that coin, that magic coin that can bring us back up to $2. There it is. So now we're at $2. So if I count this up, 50 cents for the $0.50, 10 more with the dime, that's 50 plus 10, that's 60. And then 5 with my nickel, 65 cents is my change, okay? Let's do the last one. I know this can be complicated. $1.59, and we are going to be counting up to $2. That's what we paid. All right, we need our change. Let's count up, and let's see. The first thing I'm going to add is a penny, okay? Because I'm at 59, I want to get to 60, and that will give me a nice round number to work with, okay? So I'm at 60. What else could I add on? Let's add on a dime. If I add on a dime, now I'm at 70. I got to get all the way up to $2 here, guys. Ooh, I know. I will add a nickel. That will get me up to 75 cents. And then if you're used to counting by quarters, you know one more quarter will get us to $2, okay? And our change would be 41 cents total. All right, I know this was a lot, guys. So take your time as you go, and hopefully you can count up your coins easily and just start at the price, count up to how much you paid, and then sum up or total up the coins that you needed to do that. And that's how you get your change. Good luck with your work, guys, and let me know if you have questions on Zoom.